Welcome to the 19th tutorial HTML. This video we are going to be learning how to input date and day, or like a calendar, a little calendar, which we are going to. In this one, you know the meaning of form, the form of what we are going to write, the input type. What are we going to input there? Is what we are going to input there. You can see. So in this date and day, let me just reload the page and you see what you get. Numbers, let me just increase this to, let me say, 100. I will save, hit the save button. Okay, I will load my page. You can see I can choose date. I can choose date of anything. You can see it, 2027, anything. You can just choose any date. Let me say 5th of end. Now you can see. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. It's just a short video, so I'll see you in the next video.